Each week for grammar, we're going to take one sentence from our Read Aloud book and take a better look at it. The sentence this week is, or you might find a big mossy rock by the side of a long steep trail. I want you to take a look at that sentence and see what you notice. Pause the video if you need to. Did you notice that it started with a capital letter? Or that it had a period as punctuation at the end? Maybe you noticed that the subject of this sentence was you, or that the predicate was find. Maybe you noticed those really good description words. Those are called adjectives. Those description words really help the reader visualize what that rock looked like and where it was found. We're also going to be practicing labeling parts of the sentence. This week, we're focusing on the complete subject and the complete predicate. The complete subject of this sentence is, or you. That is what the sentence is mostly about, or who it's mostly about. What does you do? Well, the complete predicate is might find a big mossy rock by the side of a long steep trail. That is what you does in this sentence. Another thing we can do is we can revise a sentence. So we're going to change out some of the words to synonyms or words that mean almost the same thing. We're going to keep the integrity of the sentence and come up with a new way of saying the same thing. So let's try it out. Instead of saying might find, I'm changing that to could possibly locate. Instead of saying big, I'm trading that out to say large. Changing mossy to slimy. Instead of saying by the side of a, I'm saying around the curve of a. And instead of long, I'm going to say lengthy. Now let's reread the sentence from the beginning. Or you could possibly locate a large, slimy rock around the curve of a lengthy, steep trail. Do you notice how the sentence sounds very similar? Being able to change out words will help your writing immensely because it makes you able to change out the words instead of saying the same thing over and over again. It also helps you build bigger sentences. The last thing we're going to do is we're going to write our own imitation sentence. An imitation sentence is a copycat sentence. This sentence is not about the big mossy rock, and it's not about a trail. I hope you will enjoy it. I made mine a little silly. I traded out the word big mossy rock for sticky yellow gummy bear. Instead of saying by the side of a, I changed it to on the bottom of a. And instead of long steep trail, I'm saying small pink backpack. Notice how I have the same flow. So when I read this sentence, it's going to sound very similar to the other one, but has completely different meaning. Or you might find a sticky yellow gummy bear on the bottom of a small pink backpack. Can you write an imitation sentence? Try it out.